Welcome to Snapcoms. My name is Jane and I lead the operations team here at Snapcoms. If you're watching this presentation, then it is likely that either yourself or your Snapcoms content administrators have requested the upgrade to the new Snapcoms tools and/or app profiles. The intended audience for this recorded presentation is the IT person or team responsible for the Snapcoms project in your organization. These roles include the overall Snapcoms Super Administrator, the desktop application team or teams who own the deployment of the Snapcoms apps to physical and virtual machines, and if required, the mobile application team. Snapcoms intends that this is a managed migration, which means that our operations team will work closely with you and your Snapcoms Customer Success Manager to guide you through the upgrade. The purpose of this session is to explain what is new in the server and app software and to prepare you for a successful upgrade by outlining the upgrade prerequisites or minimum requirements, highlighting some key considerations that may affect the complexity of your upgrade, and providing some generic step-by-step guidelines for the upgrade. Lastly, I will outline the support available from Snapcoms to make the migration as seamless as possible. So what has changed in the Snapcoms software? There are changes to both the server and the app or client software, which once enabled, introduced significant enhancements to the Snapcoms Content Manager user interface, which means a number of improvements for the Snapcoms content administrators in terms of ease and speed of creating and publishing messages. If you have not already seen it, please take a look at the recorded webinar available here, which takes you through the rationale for the changes and a full demonstration with comparisons to the legacy interface your organization currently uses. We have also introduced a feature in the Snapcoms app called App Profiles. This introduces efficiencies for your IT team because changes to the Snapcoms app settings can now be made via a publishing mechanism from the Content Manager rather than the redeployment of the app. Please watch the App Profiles introduction video on this link. Lastly, the upgrade enables an improved end-user experience in terms of on-screen display of messages and the message list. Many of these server and app changes have been released incrementally since October 2016. This timeline shows how the releases have come together now in this important 18.4 release. The top blue line represents server release milestones and the bottom aqua line shows the app releases. Let's start back in June 2016 when we had our legacy client which supported all our old Snapcoms tools. The first user interface change was the release of the designer screensaver in October 2016. This was followed in December 2016 with the release of the newsletter, which replaced the magazine tool. In January 2017, there was a major app release which changed the technology to a WebKit client, meaning we were no longer dependent on an Internet Explorer browser. Towards the end of 2017, we released the new alert with supporting branding and themes into the software. And then the new ticker. Now, in April 2018, we are releasing the last of our tools in the new format, as well as the app profiles feature. It is to this significant release that we are encouraging our existing customers to upgrade in order to enjoy all the very latest server and app features. The sunset on the legacy tools is the 31st of March 2019. As you are a cloud-hosted customer, all the software changes required for you to experience the new tools and app profiles have already been released to your cloud environment, but need to be enabled by Snapcoms through licensing for you when your organization is ready to start using them. In terms of the app version 18.4 prerequisites, full details are available in our Datasheet H, and a summary is shown here. Note that the requirements are the same as for the Snapcoms app version 17. I'd now like to highlight some considerations that may impact the complexity of your company's upgrade. Firstly, if you have custom templates, these are not compatible with the new look tools, but they can simply be left in place. The Snapcoms operation team will reach out to you and supply the same designs as organization themes for use with the new tools. There is no charge for this service. Similarly, if you have a custom message history, in other words, if your Snapcoms message list has your own company branding, this will not work with the app version 18.4. Please disable the message history via the client command script before deploying the new app. SnapComms will supply a new message history package to be deployed via the client command script. Again, there is no charge for this service. Let's look at our upgrade guidelines. Firstly, email operations@snapcomms.com to request the licensing of new tools. Note that your legacy tools will remain available until your content administrators are fully operational with the new tools. Also request the enablement of app profiles. Then, uninstall existing apps on a test group of user devices. Disable the custom message history for the test group. Check the default app profile settings and update if required, then publish that to the test group. Download the app version 18.4 and deploy it to the test group. Upload the new message history files and publish to the test group. Create and publish test content using themes with the new tools to the test group to ensure connectivity. Then repeat steps 2 to 6 for the rest of the organization. The support that we offer is as follows. All questions or requests for support must please go to operations@snapcomms.com. If you have a complex environment and would like some assistance with working out a unique migration path, we can easily draw this up and walk through a schedule with you. If you would like remote technical assistance with configuring your app profile, we can schedule this with a SnapComms technical support engineer. Thank you for your time today. Remember that this is a managed migration and we are here to help. Once you have upgraded successfully, please let us know so that we can close off your migration project from a technical perspective and move forward with training your SnapComms content administrators.